Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to read a CSV file in Python. We are going to do it using Pandas and I am going to tell you the entire procedure step by step. So this is my CSV file employees.csv. It's on my desktop. Let me open it for you to show you the data. There you go. It has 4 columns and 5 records. It's made up employees data. Take a look. Now let me create a Python project folder and copy this employees.csv file into that folder. So I'm going to right click on my desktop, hover over new and then click on folder. This is going to create a new folder. Let me call it csv_read. Now let me just drag this employees.csv file and drop it into csv_read folder that we just created. So this is going to move the file into the csv_read folder. Now let's open this csv_read folder in Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to go to Visual Studio Code and click on open folder. If you don't find the button over here, then click on file. You will find open folder in the menu. Click on it. Now I'm going to go to my desktop, click on csv_read and press the select folder button. There you go. csv_read folder is open in Visual Studio Code and you can see employees.csv file visible within it. Now let's create a Python file within this csv_read folder, which is our project folder. So click on this icon that says new file and let's name this file as readcsv.py. Hit enter and there you go. There is your Python file. Now let's create a virtual environment within our project folder. To do that, just press Command Shift P to open the command palette. Type here Python : create environment. You can see it's already appearing. Just click on it. It's going to ask you whether you want to create a VNV virtual environment or a Conda virtual environment. Go with VNV. Select the interpreter. I'm going to go ahead with Python 3.14.3 and you can see it has started building a virtual environment. It's going to take a minute. There you go. The virtual environment is created and it says the following environment is selected as well. That means the virtual environment that it just created, it has automatically selected its interpreter and you can see it over here. Now we are going to install Pandas because that's the library we use to read a CSV file. So click on terminal and open a new terminal. Here you are going to write pip install. Oh, it was still opening when I started writing. Let me write it again. To install Pandas, we write pip install Pandas. Hit enter. You can see our virtual environment is selected. So the Pandas library is going to get installed in this virtual environment only. And there you go. Pandas is installed. Now we are going to import Pandas. So we'll write import Pandas as PD. Then we are going to create a data frame, df, and after the equals to sign, we'll write pd.read_csv. And within its brackets, within double quotes, we'll write the name of our .csv file, employees.csv. All right. And we are going to print our data frame. So we'll write our CSV, ladies and gentlemen. Let me write a new line character to shift our data frame to the next line. So after double quotes, I'm going to write comma tf. That's our data frame. All right, drum roll please, because we are about to run our Python program that is going to read the CSV file, read the data in the CSV file and is going to display in the terminal. So I'm going to right click, hover over run Python and then click on run Python file in terminal. And there you go. Our Python program has printed the records in the employees.csv file. They are right in front of you. 4 columns, 5 records. And this is how you read a CSV file in Python. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to read a CSV file in Python from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.